back to my YouTube channel Physics Scan. So today I'm going to do class 9 science 4th chapter fluid, okay, or pressure. So today also lot to know, lot to discuss as always, so we'll start. So first of all, what is thrust? Okay, it is the force which act normally on the surface. Okay, force acting normally on a surface, and certain surface area force which is acting normally means the angle between that area and that force will be 90 degree. That is the meaning of normal. Okay, so that is thrust. So thrust exerted by a body on a surface is equivalent to weight of the body. Okay, so thrust is equal to the weight of the body. If you dip something or if you put something in water, then it will experience a thrust. Okay, and if you have more weight, it will experience more thrust. Less weight, less thrust. Okay, so if you measure thrust, that will give you the weight of the body also. Okay, so now it is a vector quantity. Okay, so it has direction as well as magnitude. Now pressure, what is pressure? Pressure is the force per unit area. In certain area, how much force you applied. Okay, that is pressure. Now how does pressure depend? Pressure depends on two factors, that is force and area. So how does it depend? Two factors, one is force and another one is area. So for force, it is direct relation. Okay, if force increase, pressure also increase. If force decrease, pressure also decrease. So you can feel that force increase, pressure increase. Force decrease, pressure decrease. Now area, but for area is inverse relation. Okay, if one increase, other decrease. Suppose if area increase, pressure decrease. If area decrease, pressure increase. Now unit of pressure, what is the unit of pressure? So unit of pressure is Pascal. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Now what is 1 Pascal? Okay, so 1 Pascal is that force. Okay, suppose 1 Newton force which is act normally on 1 meter square area. Okay, 1 meter square. Okay, in area of 1 meter square, if 1 Newton force act, that time we say that pressure is 1 Pascal. Okay, so now how to increase and decrease the pressure? Okay, everyone knows how to increase the pressure. To increase the pressure, you have to increase the force and you have to decrease the area. Now how to decrease the pressure? To decrease the pressure, you have to decrease the force and increase the area. Okay, so these are the two ways where you can increase or decrease the pressure. Now pressure in fluid. Okay, what is fluid? First of all, a fluid is that substance which can flow. Okay, basically liquid and gas are the fluid. Okay, so now a fluid contained in a vessel exert pressure of at all point and in all direction. Okay, that I will do. Now I'll give you one example. Take one bottle. Okay, pressure exerted on the wall of the container also. Okay, so I'll give you one example. Take one bottle, make 2 holes. Okay, and if you put water, then what happen? Liquid flow from that hole. Okay, make 2 or 3 holes. From each and every hole, liquid come outside. Okay, it will flow from that hole. Okay, that proves that pressure exerted on the wall of the container. And if you go deep, then what happen? Pressure is more inside the liquid. More you go deep, more is the pressure. So if you see that force of the water, okay, force of the liquid which is coming out from the hole is more on the bottom one compared to top hole. Okay, so now pressure exerted by a liquid column. Okay, how much pressure it will exerted in liquid? Okay, so it is H rho G. Now I'll tell you what is H, what is rho, and what is G. H means height. Okay, and rho means density of the liquid, and G means acceleration due to gravity. So pressure basically depend on liquid. Okay, pressure exerted on by a liquid basically depend on 3 things. One is height, another one is density, and the one is acceleration due to gravity. So if height increase, obviously pressure increase. Okay, more height means more pressure. Now depth. Now density. Okay, more density means more pressure, and G, acceleration due to gravity. More acceleration due to gravity means more pressure. Okay, so factor operating the pressure at a point in a liquid, what are those factors? One is height, and the one is density, another one is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so other I'll do in the next class. Thank you very much.